In this video, I'm going to show you guys the major reason why most of your Android phone storage always get filled up within a short period of time. And the things that you do wrong in your Android phone that makes it get filled up, all right? Now, most times when you install an application via Play Store in your Android phone, sometimes you use it for a few minutes and you realize that application is not really worth it. So you go ahead and uninstall it. And when you want to uninstall it, you just hold the app, then press the app on the home screen, and uninstall will come out and click on uninstall. But after you uninstall it through that process, what most of you don't know is that the app files are still right inside that your Android phone. The major files are still right inside there your Android internal memory. What just left the phone is just the app icon on your home screen, which shows you that the app is no longer installed on your phone. But the major files are right inside your internal memory. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of those internal files. And these are the things that occupy a lot of space in your phone. Now, I am going to use this phone as an example. I'm going to use this phone to show you what I mean. So, we are right inside my Android phone. For you to get rid of all those applications that you uninstalled and you want to get rid of the files, the internal files that are left inside your internal memory of your phone, all you need to do is locate Play Store, open Play Store. Now come at the top right corner where you have your picture. Click here and go to Manage Apps and Device. Click there and this is going to appear. Now this is where you do updates in your phone. Whenever there's an update, this is where it appears over here. Now you're not going to go there. Where we're going to go is Manage. Click on Manage. Once you click on Manage, you can see this is this device. On the top left corner here, this device, click there, and over here you can see not installed. Click on this not installed. Once you click on this not installed, my dear, here are all the files that you installed in this phone that you later uninstalled that are no longer present in this phone. Okay? So I'm going to try and check all this file, check all of them. Okay, as you're selecting them, you can see 5 selected, 335 MB, just like that, just like that. You can see 16 files selected, 803 MB. Let's be going. 20 files, 1.1 gigabytes. Okay, let me just select all the files and let's get to the end. Guys, you can see I've selected 193 files and it's giving me 10 gigabytes of free storage. So if I click on delete now, I have 10 gigabytes of free storage right inside this phone from the applications that are not inside this phone. I mean, from the application that I have already uninstalled in this phone in the past. The files, the remaining files of those uninstalled applications in my phone, the remaining files in the internal storage of this phone is 10 gigabytes. So all you need to do is just click on delete and everything is going to wipe out. So you guys can see exactly why most of your phone internal storage is always filled up, because Once in a while, you don't go through this and uninstall the files of the application that you've already uninstalled on your phone. Okay? So once in a while, do this and your phone will be completely free. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like and also make sure you follow for more tips like this. My name is Asoy Kenda Kinsley. I'll see you guys in my next video.